Hey everybody, it's Kat Cora here. Let's have some fun. You guys know that I love these fun food trends. Now I've been doing this whipped strawberry milk and the kids love it. Although I think I love it more just because I used to drink strawberry milk growing up all the time. I've got the milk, I've got a glass of ice, I've got a half a cup of the whipping cream, and I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of the strawberry powder. That's like fun already. All right, so let's go on high speed here. Down some, it's starting to get nice and thick. I think we have some good peaks there. I think that's pretty good. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that, you guys. Ooh, look at those high peaks. Now that's a high peak, baby, right there. That, my friends, is a gorgeous strawberry whipped milk.